Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. Hey, I know it's been a minute, guys, but it turns out the cable company likes it when you pay your bill. I don't know how, but I forgot to pay my internet this month, so I got cut off a couple weeks ago. But we're all good now. uh, Not much progress, man. I've had social obligations pushing on me. In other words, man, I got people coming to see me and stuff, and I don't know why, but it's not much. Didn't get much done, but I've made a little progress on. Matter of fact, this is getting close to being done. The Put it back in here for now. The old Tom number 69 appreciation dragster. Uh, I got something to set that up on. Get rid of some of the glare first. All right. There we go. I've been working on the fuel system. Oh, come on, focus better than that. I know it will. There it goes. Yeah, I scratched built the fuel pump, put the belts on it. I still got to plumb in my moon tank. Return line up to my injector there. Hang on, let's find what I'm looking for here. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. This is the return line. It comes off this side. When it gets a smaller brass coming off this other fitting back over to the injector there. I worked with it. It got tedious and then stopped. Found out I can't solder as good as I used to, so ended up just fish mouthing this piece of tubing and super gluing it together. Should be all right. This, yeah, it's getting there. It's looking all right. I'm pleased with it so far. Um, because I want to be able to display this with the body off or on. I got the parachute with a magnet under it, and what I need to do is add me just a little piece of metal here somewhere where the stick, and that way I can leave it. Have it either way. I do intend to put the shroud lines on this. Um, but that's about it as far as progress. I mean, like I said, I've had people coming and going, and making demands on my time, and as you know, I don't manage my time very well. Um, yeah, that's about it as far as progress. Now, I did a few little things to the little roadster, but nothing to really talk about. Um, Stash ads. Well, right before I lost my internet, I did an unboxing on this, but it was a really bad unboxing. But I finally got a hold of one of these. Um, it's got the same thing all the other boxes had in them. All the Moon Hunt boxes had them, just for this one tree here. Where's it at? Yep. But but yeah, I'll get around to building it eventually. For now, I broke it up with all my other parts fake stuff. I've got one Moon Eyes box full of chassis, another one full of suspension pieces, another one full of wheel sets, um, engines. So it's all stocked up. Um, Finally got a hold of one of these at a decent price. And that glare is really bad. How's that? That's better. Yeah, I finally got a hold of one of these at a decent price. I think I found it. Just buy it now on eBay for $25. I mean, I was shocked. I mean, I had to jump on it, right? Same thing with this, man. This was a like $15 find on some site, and this one here, they sold it as a parts kit, but I went through it and inventoried it, and it was all there. So I got it cheap because it was a parts kit, but been wanting that Bantam body. Anyway, there's that. Um, I want to talk about the idea I had though. Yeah, let me get back on camera. That's too close. There we go. All right. I don't know if you saw my post or not about a traveling parts box, and I think I'm gonna do it. But first, I'm gonna send it out. I mean, if you want in on it, man, post in here or post in that thread. Man, we got to make a list of everybody. But I'm intending on sending that out this coming month. Um, I mean, it's all just miscellaneous stuff, man. But it's all good stuff. Um, well, which way am I going? Trying to keep it under a pound, guys, man. So shipping ain't too much on it. But what the idea is I'll get on a list, right? And was gonna send the box out, and the first person on the list. And if there's something in there you want, just go ahead and take it. But replace it with something. I mean, just I've got 3 bodies in there, and it'd be nice if you keep that number of bodies. I mean, take them if you want them, man. But let's just don't. As long as nobody gets greedy, and we all, this is all in the spirit of paying it forward. Um, like I said, that size box there is usually about $10 to ship. I don't want it to, to get, to be where it's a burden, to do it. But I've been thinking about this. I think the way to do it is, as far as making content, is when you get the box, you make a video and you show what you take out of the box. When you ship it off, you don't show what you put in the box. That way, there's no, well, he put better stuff in there than I did, that kind of thing. That's that's not what the point is. The point is, to kind of share, stuff that you got that you're not going to do anything with, but but you don't want to throw out, and you just throw it in the box, man. Somebody else might want it, and they'll do the same, hopefully. Well, anyway, let me know what y'all think about that, man. That's uh, it, I mean, it's just an idea I've been thinking about, for a while now. I mean, it might be a stupid idea. I don't know, man. But, I figure we could try it out. My next big project is they came and put new doors in my apartment the other day, and I got them to leave me one of them. So now, well, so now I got to tear down my work area. And let me show you. I got to tear all this down. I'm gonna tear it all down and then throw that door in there, and then I'll have a little bit bigger work area. I should have about 7 or 8 inches more depth. Depth is what I'm looking for. But that's my next big project for the day. I mean, for the weekend. Um, but anyway, yeah, like I said, I forgot to pay my internet bill, man. That's the reason I haven't been around. I've made a few posts here and there from my phone, usually on somebody else's Wi-Fi, I'm all sorted out now, and we'll talk to you later, I guess. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Definitely let me know what you think about the traveling box, my parts box. I mean, I think it could be a good idea. I mean, I just don't want it to be one of those things that turns into a bunch of drama. Um, which things like this can. I, know that from experience. But anyway, let me know what you think. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye.